Welcome. In this video, you will learn how to create a braided necklace with a decorative knot out of an upcycled t-shirt. If you haven't already, you'll start by cutting the hem off the t-shirt. Then you will use your ruler to make a mark at each side of the t-shirt 1.5 inches up from the bottom. You will then connect the marks by drawing a straight line across your t-shirt. You will do this 6 times to cut the strips needed for this project. Using a pair of scissors, cut on each of the lines to create the strips. Once the strips are cut, they'll be in a continuous circle. Cut through one of the layers of fabric to make one long strip. Pull the strips at each end to make the sides roll in. For this video, I will be using 2 colors to make it easier to see how the knot is tied. To make the Josephine knot, separate the strands into 2 groups of 3. Create a loop by folding the end of the green strand on top of itself. Place the green loop on top of the white strand group. Pull the white underneath the green strands. Weave the white strand through the loop by going over the green, under the white, and over the green. Gently pull the ends of all the strands to tighten the knot. To start the fishtail braid, work on one side by separating the strands into 2 groups of 3. Move the outside left strand to the center, combining it with the other side. Now you should have 4 strands in this group and 2 in the other. Move the outside left strand to the center of the groups, adding it to the other side. Now both sides should have 3 strands each. You'll repeat these steps until you reach 8 inches of braid or your desired length. To finish the ends, trim the edges down to about 1 inch. Open up all the strands flat, except for the 2 on the outside, and lay them on top of each other. Now open up one of the outside strands and wrap it around the edge of the group you just stacked. This will give you a clean finished edge. Now wrap the last strand around the other side. Trim the ends down to about 1/4 inch. Add the pinch clamp to the end of your necklace. Use a pencil or something small to push in any fabric that's coming out. To close the clamp, place it on a table and push down. You can also use a pair of needle nose pliers to close it. Repeat the same process on the other side of the necklace to complete the fishtail braid, and apply the last pinch clamp. The final step is to add the jump ring and clasp by opening the jump ring with your fingers or needle nose pliers. Slide on the clasp and add both pieces to the pinch clamp. Close the jump ring to finish. Now your Josephine knot necklace with fishtail braid is complete.